How to find your friend code on Nintendo Switch. Let's jump right into the video. Friend codes are numbers issued to users on Nintendo Switch that are linked to Nintendo accounts. You can use friend codes to send friend requests on Nintendo Switch. If you change your friend code, you will need to wait 30 days before you can change it again. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can view or change your friend code. These steps can be applied to Nintendo Switch Family and Nintendo Switch Lite. Step 1 in order to view your friend code is to select your user icon from the home menu. Once you have selected it, now select Profile and then check the side of the screen to find your friend code. On this page, you have other options as well, such as you can find your friend list. You can also add friend from here. Now, if you want to change your friend code, you want to select your user icon from the home menu, select User Settings, and then select Friend Settings. Now select Reissue Friend Code option. Once you click on that option, your friend code will be successfully changed. And this is how you can find your friend code on Nintendo Switch. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.